Hi, my name is Mandeep and I represent the technical development team of Topex. Today, we will be talking about solar products. In Topex, we have a wide range of solar products. Today, we will talk about solar floodlights. So in solar floodlights, we have a range starting from 50 watts, 100 watts, 200 watts and top of the range 400 watts. This comes along with the solar panel, remote, the installation kit and the instruction manuals. They also have a gland to ensure IP ratings. This comes with a remote where we have a programming option of full brightness, half brightness. We can even control the brightness through this remote, and we can set this light to function for 3 hours, 5 hours and 8 hours. The light will smartly adjust its brightness to last for the hours selected for.